Hi! It's a good thing we got a new desk this year, because otherwise this amazing package from SleeveChief would not have fit up here for us to unbox it together. Wow, this is the record for size. We're gonna open this up real quick and see what goodies they have coming for the Yu-Gi-Oh community. All right, we're gonna get creative though with how we're doing this because this is a big box. Got a SleeveChief logo. Okay, more tape. Always the tape. Very secure. From Germany. Okay. And we bumped the camera. This is a big box. Okay. I am going to just set this on the stand here, and we're gonna check things out from the box. So I really want you guys to see how big this box is because it's impressive. Wow, there's exciting stuff in here. Okay, so starting off, we got the Gear 5 sleeves. Woohoo! Hello. Ooh, we got the fire border sleeves. Hot. We've got, wow, my eyes. We've got more border sleeves. Woo! We've got the Fire and Ice, the Mirror Jade, the Lubellion border sleeves. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Ooh, we got the hefty die. We love us some hefty dice. Oh, breaks table. We've got the One Piece metal die. God, it's got some heft to it. Amazing. And, reaching. We've got, ooh, those are pretty. We have some sword border sleeves with the mist here. Ooh, we've got the Shenlong border sleeves. We are set on border sleeves, guys. We're gonna have some fire posts coming up. We've got the dinosaur border sleeves. Awesome. Ooh, we've got some Naruto sleeves, the hollow back. Got our hollow back sleeves here. And then, these are the ones I'm the most excited for. Best for last, we've got the Ojama border sleeves at the beach. I love it. Amazing. I am going to re-sleeve my Ojama deck. And then, we're not done yet. So, we also have the Blazing Cartesia branded deck box. My fella is probably going to steal this from me because he's playing branded this format. And we have 2 playmat boxes. Ooh, the cloth playmat. Ooh. Okay, let's see which ones we got. This looks colorful. I'm really excited. This is my first look at their cloth playmats, and I've been thinking about getting a new cloth playmat, so look at that. That feels really nice. That feels really nice. So we've got the One Piece cloth playmat. It's got kind of like a sturdy felt background with the edge stitch. And the front is super soft and smooth. Ooh, we like that. We like that. Yes. Okay. And then last but not least, here kitties, we have a new box for you. Last but not least, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, this one's gray. This is, we got a little Karibo here, our SleeveChief Karibo. So we've got a second cloth playmat. Oh, this is the branded one. Oh my goodness. This is lovely. So we've got Blazing Cartesia and Albaz. Wow, that looks so good. I like it. And then this one's got kind of the white felt backing with the edge stitch. You can really see, like, because I think this one came out before this one, and you can see the progress they've made on their stitching. But I love the design on this. I am more of a monochrome, not full art. I know it sounds silly, but when it comes to like a cloth playmat, I think this looks classy. I like it. Thank you, SleeveChief, for sending all of this. I will be sure to put it to good use Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in picking up any of this, they are doing, depending on when you're watching this, they're having a huge restock at the end of July. And then also at the end of July of 2023, they are going to start shipping from the US. So previous to that, everything was shipped from Germany, but with the new office that they're opening, it's going to make shipping so much more affordable for all of us in the US of A, which is amazing. So save some money there and definitely take advantage of the cool designs they've been putting out, cool new products. Art5 will save you 5% on their website, and I hope you find some goodies that you like, because they definitely have a lot to offer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!